Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you how to change keyboard size on Android or your iPhone. To do so, first of all, what you need to do is open your settings on your device and then scroll down until you found display and brightness. Once you see that, hit on display and brightness and scroll down to the last and select display zoom. From here, select the larger text and hit on the done. Once you do that, your icon, your text size, your keyboard size will be increased. If you go through the keyboard section, here you can see your keyboard size has also increased. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.